As you can see, I've finished the flutes on one end, and I think that worked out okay, but now I'm dealing with these things. These are some dovetail sockets for the legs. Let me just show a detail of that. And here you can see the dovetail on each of these legs, and then the socket into this base block here. So I started working on these dovetail joints. Now I use the template to mark out the shape in each of these corners. I've worked 3 of these corners now, and I was using hand tools here, except for the router. First, using the router to make a, well, I think I have one to show, yes. Here's the router that I used with a 5/16 bit or something, and that knocked out a lot of this, but then that doesn't have the angle that's necessary, and to get that angle I used several different chisels to chop that out. And also back here in the corners, I used some chisels that I made angled like this. I use those on dovetail joints a lot, and they came in handy to get back in that corner, back in those corners, and clean that out. So I've got 3 of these made, and I know there'll be some adjustments necessary when I make the legs, which will be the next step. Then I'm sure that leg won't fit in there, so I'll have to figure out, do I whittle away on the leg, or do I probably that will be what I do, is change the sizing here to fit up nice. So I'm expecting some fit up required when I do the leg joints, but that's a start on the flutes are on one end. I got to do the flutes on this end, and then there's a large acanthus leaf carving in this on these 2 surfaces, which I haven't sorted out yet. That will be an interesting project for sure. Now, in my last video, I said something about 3 12-quarter boards that are glued together to make this block. I meant 8-quarter blocks, so they're 3 8-quarter blocks to get this 8 inches wide.